All right. Uh, Good evening, everyone, and I want to welcome you to our special uh, broadcast on AI data science and analytics training that we are about to start. And so, please help me to invite your friends and anyone that might be interested in understanding or knowing about what we are doing so that they can join us as well. So if you can share the video so that people who are interested in knowing about the training can actually get to clarify some of the questions that people have been asking. So my name is Dr. Johnson Ilade, and I just want to do a quick Q&A time on the upcoming training that we are having on artificial intelligence, data science, and analytics track of training. Now, let me start by saying that more than ever before, this field that we are in is becoming crucial and critical to a lot of opportunities that are opening up. Most of the jobs of today and the future, they are dependent on having data related kind of skill. And so if we are really going to get ready for the future of work, for what future holds in terms of work, then I think this is one of the areas that we need to equip ourselves. So, and that is the whole essence of the training program. So currently we are only starting with 2 tracks of training. So the first track is data science, what we call data science track 1. Data science track 1. So data science track 1 is essentially meant to give you skill in the first level in your journey towards data science and AI, and that is business analysis and data analysis and business intelligence. So how do you look at data and you are able to bring in insights? You are able to generate insight from that data, especially for business executives or even in sales, in operations and different aspects of a company. Every of their decisions nowadays, they all depend on data. So how do you look at a data that you are giving and be able to generate the right sets of intelligence and insight from that data? Because in the future, and it has already begun, the decisions in organizations are going to be made in a data-driven manner. So the track 1 will teach you all the techniques, all the technologies, all the tools that will help you to be able to do that. And that will be for 10 weeks. So the data science track 1 is designed for those who are interested in equipping themselves in the area of business intelligence, data analyst role. And we are going to make sure that you get everything that is required of you to be able to get into the domain, because our curriculum is designed to make you fit for the industry. So it's not academic. It's designed to make you fit for the industry, and with a lot of practical projects and data sets that you will be working on as well. So if you have questions as I speak, I want you to feel free to type in questions in the chat window. If you have questions, you can always add your comment, and I'm going to answer those questions. So the training itself is going to start July 11, Saturday, July 11, 2020, and it's a weekend class, so it's only Saturday, and we have about 4 hours every Saturday. So, but registration has started already, and registration is going to close on July 6. So we have early bird registration, which allows you to have a discount in your registration. So, and that early bird closes around June 23. So which is about 1 week from now. So the early bird will be closing, but you can still register afterward, but you would miss the discounts that we are offering for early bird registration. So the first track, like I said, is focus on those who are interested in business intelligence and data analyst role. But the second track is the one that will also include track 1, but will take you further beyond just data analysis and business intelligence to give you entrance into the field of data science itself. So you will then learn machine learning, you will learn about deep learning, you will learn also some other aspects of AI that are booming right now, and we have picked 2 that we feel is really emerging as dominant in the field. 2 of them, one is computer vision and the second one is natural language processing. So we are going to be diving into each of these. So in all, if you register for track 2, then you will be in the classes for 20 weeks in all. You will be in the class for 20 weeks. So that's for track 1 and track 2. So the training, like I said, starts Saturday, July 11, 2020. So which track is suitable for you? Well, it depends on your career interest and goal. So if you just want to become a data analyst or business intelligence analyst, then track 1 is enough for you. But if you are interested in moving further to be able to understand artificial intelligence, understand how data science work, then you have to go for track 2. So, but track 2 also includes track 1. It's a build on track 1, so it includes both. Then the other question is on registration. So registration can be done online. So we have the registration platform in glomacsinstitute.com. glomacsinstitute.com. You can just go to glomacsinstitute.com and then you will be able to register. If you go to glomacsinstitute.com, you will be able to register for either the track 1 or track 2, and you get some other detailed information about the class as well, including the curriculum and detail of anything that you want to know. Now, because we have so many people that are interested from Nigeria, so we have created a special rate for Nigeria so that you don't have to pay in dollars. So if you are registering from Nigeria, after you submit the registration form on glomacsinstitute.com, then you will send an email to training-ng@glomacsolutions.com to get information about how you are going to make payment in Nigeria. So, but you will still register on the same platform and on the same website. You will submit your registration, but your registration process is not complete until payment is made. But we will give you an account that you will pay into in Nigeria, but you have to send an email to training-ng@glomacsolutions.com. So after you have finished your registration. So if you are registering, I will encourage you to register within this week or before the 23rd of June so that you can qualify for a discount. So if you are registering for track 1, for batch 1, the normal price is supposed to be 2,000 for batch 1, but we are giving a discount for everybody that register for batch 1 at 1,500. And then if you are registering at the early rate, you are going to be paying 1,300. So that means you have a $200 discount. And also, we want to also get as many people to be able to register. So we are giving discount. We are giving installment payment possibility. So you can pay twice or you pay 3 times. All the options are available on our website if you need to pay in installment. So you can do that as well. Now, the other question that many people have also asked, which I might also talk about, is it possible to register for individual module? Now, so yes, we are allowing people to register for individual module in track 1. If you want to register for individual module, then you have to send us an email to arrange for that for you separately. So if you are registering for individual module, if you are just interested in knowing how to do data analysis in Python alone, then you will get $650 for that. So that's one module. Then if you are interested in maybe SQL and advanced Excel for data analysis, so you want to just know how to write queries in SQL, how to develop advanced queries to manipulate data, and then also be able to do advanced data analysis with Excel, then that is $450 Canadian dollars. Then the third option is if you want to learn about statistical analysis, you want to understand from a statistical point of view how to do analysis, then that one is $450. The last one is if you want to understand how to create data visualization and storytelling using Power BI and Tableau, then that one is $650. Now, there is also a bonus module for those who register for either track 1 or track 2 of our classes. And part of the modules that we are going to have is we are going to have special session to introduce cloud computing to you, to introduce big data environment to you, and also to talk to you about how to also do your resume, CVs, and also job interview preparation as well. And we are going to also be talking a little bit about Spark, Apache Spark, how you can use that in your project as well. But those are special bonus. They are not in the main curriculum that we are going to be dealing with. So if you have any question, you can still ask your question. Otherwise, you can send an email to training@glomacsolutions.com to ask any question that you have, and we are willing to answer you. Now, let me say this, that we have a limited spot that we planned for this first track, and currently the spaces are filling up so very fast. So if you are interested in getting into the emerging field of artificial intelligence, data science, and analytics, and you want to know how to use emerging technologies to bring change into the world, or to be at the cutting edge of emerging technologies that are shaping the future of work, then this is the opportunity for you to get on board. And you are not just going to just get theory about these things. All of our work are hands-on, practical, and we are bringing top industry experts to actually work alongside with you. They will come and tell you some of the projects that they are working on, and you will be able to see from the perspective of those who are inside what kind of projects you are also likely to be doing when you get a job in that area, or when you are involved in that area. So we are going to make it very interactive and real for you as well. All right, so if you have any question, if there is no question, this is just a quick chat to just clarify some of the questions that people have been asking. I'm going to come back again maybe during the week to answer any questions that people might have. But please just know that early bird registration closed on the 23rd of June, which is about 1 week from now. So if you are really interested in registering, or you have a friend that is interested in registering, please tell them to register as soon as possible so that they can take advantage of the early bird discount. And please feel free to share the information with people in your network as well, so that they can benefit from the emerging area of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, I also want to announce to us before I close that we are going to be having our public webinar on artificial intelligence by next week, Saturday. That is, I think, around 26th of June. We are going to be making more announcement on that, and we are going to be looking specifically on how AI is being used in practice, because a lot of people are talking about AI today, but do we really know what AI can do, what AI cannot do? Do we really know? Because many people, the only knowledge we have about AI is what we see in the movies. Are those things realities? Is AI going to take your job? Is your job still going to exist? All of those things, we want to be able to answer them in practical way and show you examples of how this thing work in reality. So the next webinar that we are going to have, please make sure that you plan to attend and you invite as many people as possible to attend, because we need to educate ourselves so that we understand what is really going on, and then how we can better prepare ourselves for the future of work. And so if there is no question, then I would wish you a great rest of the day, and if you have any questions, feel free to send it to training@glomacsolutions.com. Okay, I look forward to catching up with you again sometimes again during the week. Have a blessed rest of the day. Bye.